We're on our way to the airport. We are flying into SLO CAL.
The only instructions we got were to go to baggage claim and pick a suitcase.
Each suitcase holds a different adventure. Pick one, unpack, use everything. Enjoy an unforgettable adventure in the land of SLO CAL.
All right, we got to see what's in this suitcase.
Yes.
Oh, I think this is coordinates.
Oh, what is that?
Wait, there's a golf ball on it. Or
No, that's a soccer ball.
What is this? What is this? I can safely say that I have no idea what we're going to be doing.
Unpacking stop number 1. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi.
Hello.
I have a helmet, and pretty sure this is a margarita glass.
Well, welcome to Santa Margarita, and we'll hop in and find out.
Oh my God.
Just look like you're like relishing in my nervousness.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous too, but you know, we gonna be good. Well, can't turn back now.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
We're like flying, because I was like, what?
That was amazing.
I love the vineyard views, especially from all the way up.
Thank you so much.
Girl, that made me work up an appetite.
Welcome into Tent City.
Hi. We have to know, like, what is this?
These are hops. It smells like a Simca. Why don't you all grab a seat on the patio? I'll bring you something to drink, something to eat.
Oh, wow.
Cheers, girl. Oh, God.
This is your first stop on the Brews and Burger Trail. Hope you brought your appetites. A couple of our smash burgers.
Oh, my God. What? What? I think I'd have to like unhinge my jaw first.
Yeah.
I didn't even make a dent in it.
Look at Ty. It's so cute. Oh my God. Can you get us here?
Hi guys, welcome to the Salty Tiger.
Okay.
Yes. Gloria's our patron saint, and here she is in her own self-portrait. So what'd you guys do today?
I mean, what haven't we done today?
I have so many burgers in my body at this point. This is the best day ever.
What do you think you're doing tomorrow?
I have no idea, but I'm ready for a surprise. Let me see. Oh, I think this is where we're going.
Yep.
Awesome.
Gotta be it.
I think I know what we're doing with these cups.
Yeah, let me get you caffeinated for the day. This is cute.
It's so cute.
Wow.
I think this location tag has us going into San Luis Obispo.
All right. Well, let's do this.
Hi, welcome to SLO.
Thank you.
Surf wax and a tiny surfboard.
Okay, let's walk around. I'm going to show you. This exhibition is called Whose Waters. So these artists each sort of have a way of exploring their journey into surfing through their work.
We have a clue. These headphones.
So the mural on the exterior of the building, each time we do a new one, we invite the artist to make a playlist.
Wow, that's so cool.
I think I know where you're going next. Just take the creek and you can find your way.
Hello.
Girls, welcome to the Junk Girls.
Thank
Welcome
you
to our
so
store.
much. There's so many cool little gems in here.
And we make everything out of found and vintage objects. Started as art therapy for me, and we've progressed into a full store, workshops. We all have our own nonprofit, do a lot of things about giving back and finding beauty in something that's otherwise damaged.
So we got this fun little clue.
The process we're going to play with today, it's called mono printing.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
cool. Oh my God, you did such a good job on yours.
Thank you. It coordinates with your jacket perfectly. I kind of love it.
Thank you so much for such a special experience.
You're so welcome. We had a wonderful time as well. Pleasure.
You were like the Picasso.
Trying to figure out where we're going next.
So did you bring your clubs today?
No, we didn't, but we do have this.
Oh, I know what that's for.
I'm so confused.
Oh! I got your scorecard, you got the pencil. Let's head to the first tee.
All right, let's go. Do it.
Wait a minute. Can I get a breakfast ball?
Yeah, I need one too.
No.
That was so close. Just do better. Oh, fuck. What?
How'd it go today?
Oh my God, that was a blast.
Fun
So
time.
good. I had so much fun. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see what this suitcase has in store for us next.
Hi, welcome to Alameda. You are at the base of Islay Hill and at the gateway to Edna Valley.
We have a couple little things in here that I'm hoping you can tell us what they mean.
I can't wait to show you guys. We're gonna be going through some aromas of wine today.
Wow.
For me, I'm smelling a lot of strawberry.
It smells kind of almost like tropically to me. So like the guava is sort of what I smell.
You guys are on point.
Sweet.
Would you guys like a little more wine and we can kind of take a little walk around the grounds, maybe get a good view?
This has been such a fun trip.
We went ziplining.
Brews and burgers.
That was so good. The Salty Tiger, I mean, that was a party. And we got to enjoy the gorgeous beach views. Junk Girls, San Luis Obispo Museum of Art, and foot golf. Wow. I mean,
What a sport. And then we ended up at this beautiful winery. What an incredible adventure.
here's to SLO CAL.